Hey agents, so I want to quickly show you guys how to book a group with Marriott and still get your commissions that are built into it. So right now I'm currently logged into the Marriott travel agent portal. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come right up here to find and reserve. And so a lot of agents get confused. They can't figure out how to book anything. So let's say that we are going to, you know what? I didn't even think about this in advance. Let's say we were going to, let's say DR, Dominican Republic. Let's see what they have. And so let's say, let's push the dates out as far as we can. Let's say February the 1st through the 7th. I'm just making up some dates. And then over here, let's say 2 adults per room. No special rates because this is for clients. Oh, actually here, the button's right here, Lord have mercy. For groups, you have to click this button, find a hotel for groups, 10 for 10 or more rooms. I was going ahead and trying to book it like a regular booking. So we're going to click this button right here. All right. And so this comes to a similar page. And so where do you want to hold rooms at? We want to hold rooms in the Dominican Republic. Let's see. Dominican. Okay. And then so the dates were February the 1st through the 7th. All right, and so purpose of the event, business, wedding, social. Let's say social, number of rooms. I always say ask for more rooms than you need, because you can always drop them off before the payment date, or if you do need more rooms and let's say that hotel is getting fully booked, you won't be able to get those rooms. And if you do, then those rooms are probably way more expensive than you need them to be. Let's say 15 rooms, and then event space. Event space is if you're going to hold a conference or something like that. So we're going to leave event space 0. And so we're going to click on find. It's a searching. Okay, and so all of these come up. So AC Hotel Punta Cana, Courtyard, 4 Points, not really. Okay, look, Royalton, all inclusive. This is exactly what we need. Okay, so we're going to hit add to RFP. All right, and then so we can pick another one. So let's say Renaissance. All right, so let's just keep it at 2. And so create RFP, and we can add up to 3. And I do recommend adding up to 3 because guess what? Sometimes the properties don't reach back out to you. Sometimes I guess they're too busy or something like that. I don't know, but I always say just put 3 of your favorites there, just in case somebody doesn't reach out to you. Then, just in case all 3 of them don't reach out to you. So I'm over here trying to sign in. So give me a quick second while I sign in. Come on. So you will need to sign in again. Okay, so now, okay, so compare hotels. You can compare the hotels here. Okay. Close it down. It's very simple. Very, 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 very simple. So you put all the information in, let's say DR party, I don't know, party 2023. Okay, so these are the dates, it's business, 15 rooms, everything that we need. And then so guess what? Continue. We are literally done. We're done. And so what will happen is the person that's in charge of groups at Hideaway, Royalton, and Renaissance, they will reach out to you via email and give you pricing. Okay, and so here we're gonna continue to contact info. Okay, so it's of course going to send you there. And then let's see, then all you're going to do is press submit. And that is it. That's okay. Oh, we'll need your phone number. Oh, let me do this. Well, you know what? I'm not going to put all that extra stuff in there because you know what? I really don't need this booking. I have to respond to the email saying, hey, I don't need it. So, but no, this is just for training purposes only. You guys, it's super, super easy to book groups with Marriott. Super, super easy. And then so if you're with my agency, the commission is 10% commission. And to be honest, I think that the commission for most host agencies is 10% commission if you book it in the Marriott travel agent portal. So I like to keep the videos short and sweet. If you guys have any additional questions, you guys already know how to reach out to me. Until our very next video, I will talk to you soon. Bye.
It's your side hustle?